Sadar của mát lạnh. Wait.
Hello. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Morning, morning. EJ is coming. EJ is coming finally. Hopefully we get a good breakout and we end this week with a good trade. Watching from Philippines. Morning. Bitcoin at 23K. Pretty nice run. A nice run from Bitcoin. But we don't trade Bitcoin. We don't trade Bitcoin. Now, I've done some updates here. Favorite pairs. So, whoever asks me what's your favorite pair, I'm gonna kick it. Because here it says favorite pairs. These are other pairs that are here and there. Not that good, but good. And these are stupid pairs. We don't like to trade them that much, but sometimes we have. Sometimes we have to. So we'll see. EJ is good, not bad. We'll see if today finally we're gonna have a breakout. Hopefully we're gonna have one. It's pretty close to break. All we need is a good candle close above.
Good morning, Sert.
Morning.
Sert, if Ash sees that Eurocat is a stupid pair, he will be mad.
No, it's a stupid pair. It fake outs a lot, so has to be to stupid pair list. What do you think about GU? Let's take a look. I don't know actually. I mean, daily's been retesting. I think so. And I don't know how strong the zone is to consider taking a trade on it. See the 4 hour. See the daily, good rejection. Yeah, everything is bullish on GBP right now. Everything. Honestly, Georgie, I would like to have more rejections. I would like more rejections. We've been taking sometimes trades in very strong zones, and then they would be faking out. Imagine in a weak zone like this. I'd rather wait for a few more rejections before it breaks. We'll see. GJ, GJ. Let's see what we have. My favorite is EJ for now. Other pairs are messy. Aussie dollar really got rejected. It's so messy. It is a mess right now. I just hope EJ gives us the trade we want today, and we would be fine with it and very happy. Let's go EJ, push, push, push. Euro Australian dollar for our breakout retest. Why did this fail? Why did this fail? Who knows? Let's take a look why. There's a reason probably why that happened. So, my first suspect is that it was coming from another zone, probably a daily zone. So let's go to the daily. What about the daily? Where is this coming from? You can see that hit this major support, then resulted in fake out on the 4-hour zone. So this is what I've been saying every day, every week, every month, all this year. When price hits another zone then comes for a retest at your zone, there's a high chance of fake out happening there. So this is one of the examples. I said about EA, I don't want to take it because it's selling this low, also being at a massive support is too risky. So as you can see, price happened to be a fake out. One of the reasons came from another zone. So yeah, that's the reason. I think that's the only reason why that happened. GJ cleared traffic after breakout to the upside. We'll see. GJ is a bit messy. I would skip it unless we're gonna have a clean breakout above all these. Then yeah, EJ is trying to break. We'll see. Giving the best to break. Once it closes above, a 10 pips breakout would be perfect. Maybe it would go too much as a 10 pips breakout, but maybe 5, 6, 7 pips can also work out. So it doesn't matter how far away the major zone is. Well, it seems like it doesn't. It's a major zone. If it comes from a minor zone, okay, we can say probably it's going to have some more continuation because it's coming just from a minor zone. It would make a big difference. But when it's coming from that kind of zone, that major zone, and you can see clearly how major this is. You just look at the fact where price went after it touched that zone. Look at the price. Look at the price where it went. Every time price came to this zone, flew up every time. So you can expect the same thing again, because market does the same thing over and over again. It's nothing new here. GJ filling the daily wick. I like that GJ 4-hour has gone above the previous candle, but there's too many zones. Maybe we could say this is the next zone, but we have this also close above. I don't know. It's not that clear. See, 1 hour is around here. Then you have some rejections here. It's a mess. Personally, I wouldn't take any trades there.
Yeah, also on GJ, for everyone who's trading trend lines, we are pretty close to the trend line, and also, I mean, for us it's resistance, for others it's also confluence of trend line at around 140.500. Like if we going to the bigger picture. Yes. But you can also zoom out, and then it fits with this line as well. Yes, exactly. And if you zoom out more, it fits again. No, I think, yeah, yes, it fits again. You can also go to the daily. Yes, with the line on the top. Yes.
Looks like the trend is gonna make a big turn.
It would be great for us, right? So we can take it to the bottom. Something like a fake out would be great in this area.
Yeah, look, if it breaks the zone, we're going to 141. That's the next major zone on GJ. We are going all the way up if we break this daily at 140. We have a 100 pip range all the way to the upside.
Yeah. My favorite setup would be a nice fake out in this area. Maybe on this area of 140, 470, which you have. And then taking it and leaving a bigger runner, maybe like 30% runner. And just let it go to the bottom of the range, or stop loss, break even.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what today is gonna happen. We'll see.
So said, if you go to the daily, right?
On GJ?
Yes, please. And if we zoom out, there is this trend line starting, not the lowest one, but the second one. This one. Oh shit. Here. This one. If you start a trend line from there, like this, yes, and then the upper one also. So it's a flex. So to somewhere it has to be an explosion, but to where?
Yeah, we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Everything can happen. Right now, it's pretty bullish. To catch a big move, we need to break a key level. And right now, this daily level on GJ looks key. If it breaks, we're going all the way up to 141. Is there a chance that we might reject? There is a chance that we might reject. Also possible unexpected news might come anytime about Brexit headlines, so you never know what can happen. Based on expected news, let's see, we don't have anything, I think so. At least not on GBP or Euro. We have some on CAD, so according to expected news, we don't have anything. Looks like we're clear. The big news already happened before.
The only thing that
Yeah,
I um like, which is bothering me, is there was news, I think Anthony sent it in. It said they will not take the Brexit talks to next year, so they want to finish it this year, which means that there will be news of Brexit until the end of the year,
yeah. So
and that's bothering me.
we have another 10 days, 10 or 12. We have some another week, and yeah, Brexit news can be expected. Hopefully, at least I hope they finish it, you know, and we can continue trading in peace. Hopefully, hopefully. Gold, gold, gold. Will you stream next week? We'll see. We'll see if there's gonna be good moves. Why not? But we'll see. Gold can be making a retest maybe around here, but it's not safe. Also, it's coming from a strong zone. I'd rather skip it. Don't trade gold. Have some patience. Maybe something will come later on. Let's wait for this EJ and see if it's gonna give us something or not. Because it's been a long time in this range. It has to explode sooner or later. GBP AUD, you want to watch a stupid pair? Okay. Let's see a stupid pair here.
It's the ranging doing nothing.
Yeah, it's not doing anything. It looks like a good support here. If it breaks, we can go full margin.
On a stupid pair, let's go.
We'll see. Plenty of rejections. Looks like a good consolidation box. Once you have a good bearish candle closing below the support, then you might have a good chance. But it's not a priority for me. Maybe I can consider some USD CHF buys if it closes above pretty good. We've been having more rejections and more every day. This level is getting stronger, so we might consider it. CJ sells if it breaks below 81. No, it's not safe. EJ having problems, getting rejected. Little by little, we'll see if we're gonna break or not. USD CAD, I was thinking today about USD CAD, but it doesn't seem like it's respecting this level that much. Because the 4-hour has closed above, but it's a mess, honestly. Honestly, I'm thinking about next week, and I have no idea how it's gonna be. I know a lot of people take breaks on the last week of December, maybe also first week of January, but we have a lot of things to finish before, so maybe we might do streams also. But hopefully we're gonna have setups, because without setups we'd just be boring as hell here. Saw a break in retest on EJ last night, took a paper trade, it moved well. Well, good. Good. I was really ready to take buys yesterday on EJ here, but unfortunately it didn't come enough. It didn't come enough. Yeah, Georgie, if you don't have any challenges or verification or anything going on, why not take a break? But some people right now can't afford a break so I'm gonna be with them. But personally, I'm thinking on trader, I'm not gonna take a trade for the remaining days of this year. Because I think it's really not very worth it to. It's good sitting now at 6.79%, and everything I would take probably would be not as good as after this year ends and we start fresh next year. But we'll see the chances that might come. You never know, you might have a great setup on the way. Last year, I'm telling you, there were some great setups on December. And I didn't really expect it to happen, but like most of people were not taking any trades, but market was moving freely and so good. Respecting levels, grading setups, everything was going smooth.
GBP is dying.
I thought it dropped 100 pips.
No, not like that, but it rejected pretty strong, in my opinion.
I learned how to play chess the last 2 days. And I'm winning games.
Ooh.
It's so nice, man, playing chess. It's very
Maybe
good thing. Very good game.
Maybe you should start a career. Online chess streaming.
I would need would have to start to study about it, reading books and all these things, methods. It's good because you have to predict the opponent's move. If I do this, he's gonna do this. If he does this, then I'm gonna do this and this and that. Programming is also very nice for when I have kids. I'm gonna send or I'm gonna teach or send them to a course to learn programming because it's very logic thing. You have to use your logic a lot. Everything is, if this happens, then this happens. If that happens, then this, then that. It's just very logical. I loved it when I went to university. Programming was great, and algorithms were so good. Maybe I'm not playing with good players. Yeah, I'm playing with players that are just like me. Can't play with pros, man, because they'll make me regret that I started playing. does the market or the market could ever change your strategy if it creates different patterns after a certain amount of time, weeks, months? Well, it's been 4 years and we're going to the fifth year, and the market has been doing the same thing. If it goes the same, I'm never going to change my way of trading because it's perfect way to trade, simple and effective, makes me money, so I have no reason to change it unless I don't think the market's going to change, but it might have, it might change a little bit maybe how it behaves. We can make small changes, but not to change the whole strategy. We have to adapt, of course. We didn't have the same rules in the beginning when we traded break and retest. We have new rules in the way, created in a way, so who knows, we might have another rule coming up, or change a rule during the next years. You never know what can happen. If you go and do back testing a few years ago or whenever, you're going to see that it moves the same. Move the same all the time. It just does the same patterns over and over again. Do you have a degree on computer science? Soon. I'm almost finished. Look guys, this year has been tough. Very tough, I can say, because Brexit, COVID, all of these things, everyone got affected by these events, by this coronavirus. Now we're having the vaccine coming up. You don't know what might happen. Everything was not easy to predict in this year. It never been harder. Never been hard. Just imagine last year we had no vaccine, no COVID, no nothing. We just had Brexit here and there, but you know how good it was. Now this year was tough year, but we still managed to learn. We still managed to trade. We still managed to make profits. That tells a lot. We showed how disciplined we are. Went a week without taking any trades, and that's progress. That's progress. I told you guys before, I only saw myself how far I've come when I didn't take a trade for a week because I was waiting for my setup. I was not trying just take a trade, but I was waiting for a trade that has everything I need, everything I want when I want to take a trade. And same thing we did. I don't know about you guys. Maybe you took a trade and you don't tell anyone, but I wouldn't feel happy about that because we didn't really have very good setups. There were some good ones. We took some we missed, some we didn't take for some reason. But in general, it was not a very good week with great setups. We didn't see you yesterday. Hope everything's going well. Yes, everything is great. Yesterday didn't stream because there was nothing happening. Michael, I held the trade for 3 months, not 3 week. I held the trade for 3 months, and it was euro Australian dollar. I have the trade somewhere in my Instagram, I think so. It started with a simple break and retest. 1 hour break and retest. If I can find it, I'll show it to you, but right now I don't know where it is. Yeah, but it was not a big position. I had a 0.10 lot. How it went around 700 pips, I think.
Said, what's your opinion on the downside of GU? So if we can break on the 1 hour chart, 1.35200.
GU breaking to the downside. 200 this level?
Yes.
I don't know. Think is
It matches with the left side also with the.
that's also the daily. It flips bearish if it goes all the way down there.
Isn't it bearish already?
Daily? Oh, I was looking for the 4 hour. I meant the 4 hour goes bearish.
Yes.
Yeah, daily is already bearish. I don't know actually. I wouldn't be very sure.
Because I like the rejection, you know, and if this candle closes bearish and the next one breaks this
I
area.
mean, we had the rejection. It had 3 candles got rejected first, then we got this candle close above. Then it did these 2 first rejection. Second one, third one came back in the range. Looks like this was the retest. Continue all the way down. Came back after again, closed above. Created support here, got rejected. Continuation. Today we got rejected twice. Third candle pushed all the way up. We'll see.
You can also.
Maybe we can still respect this if it comes to break.
Yeah, on the if you go to the left on the 4th December, this 4th December, there is also a rejection with lines up. Yes, it lines up perfectly. Yes, exactly.
Yeah. I mean, we'll see. When there's a setup like this, I usually, to have a good confidence on this trade, I usually want a breakout like this on the same candle, and then a retest to continue lower than this would be perfect, leaving no wick below, coming for a retest straight to the upside, then some nice continuation. This would be my preferred setup here on GU. very slow. I'm thinking about the EJ, and we have 10 minutes left, and we have this 2.6 pips push above. I don't know what's gonna happen here. We need at least a 5 pips breakout.
Man, I'm really hoping for GU. Doesn't need more. It has 7 minutes. It needs like, okay. It was looking like 5 pips, but it needs at least 15 pips.
Yeah, man, I thought that this is gonna be at least 5 pips. It's not even 3 pips.
Sad if you trade on Asian session, right? Sometimes you do. Are you looking for a weaker breakout since there's less volatility, or how is your experience there? Like, do you need the same amount of pips for a breakout, or do you say, okay, it's Asian session, I don't need that much of a breakout?
No, the same rules are applied on every session. It doesn't matter. We just know that Asian session is a little bit slower. That's all. It doesn't mean that it's we need to apply different rules just because it's Asian. You need the same rules, same amount of pips on a breakout, everything same. Okay. Just from our experience, Asian session hasn't been that good. Here and there, Asian session can be pretty good. You've seen sometimes how we miss some good moves because they happen to Asian, but it rarely happens. Usually it's consolidation and London then breaks some more volume.
Wow, EJ and also GU. Thank you for the answer, by the way. I was just seeing the chart, the candles moving.
Thank God it pushed. Now it's gonna leave us without a retest. 6 pips, yeah, this is good. I like this. I like this, and if it closes without a top wick and comes for retest straight away, that's gonna be perfect. Does GU move similar as GJ? Sometimes it does, sometimes not. There are two different pairs. They have GBP in common. If there's something gonna be happening on GBP like Brexit news or GBP news, then all GBP pairs gonna move the same, but technically they can move different also, because GBP US dollar, if something with US dollar happens, then GBP USD is gonna be affected. If something with yen happens, then GJ is gonna be affected, and they can move different ways. Not every time can move same direction. Wow, GBP pairs dropping. What happened? Let's see. Do we have any news?
I don't think that there is major news.
Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't seem like we have any news right now. But GBP pairs are pushing down. EJ is coming. Let's go, EJ. Give us the pips for this week, because you took so long. How about the candles on the left? This is only one candle, right? So you have to look where most of the candles are rejecting. And this is where the most candles are rejecting. And this is on the few hours where price created resistance. As you can see, just confirm the zone that we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles rejected before this one. So now we can have a breakout. And if you go on the left on the 4-hour, you can see where the zone is. So it matches with the 4-hour too. Did I hear your stomach? Yeah, need to eat some food. EJ is very close to daily resistance. I think daily has been passed. As you can see on the left, we have passed the daily. So this is going to be a breakout. If you look also the left candles here, it is the same resistance. So it's not going to be coming from a daily resistance because it has passed the daily resistance. And now we're getting a close on a lower time frame, so we might have some more continuation. First entry for EJ, we'll see. It's only a 8 pips breakout, so we're gonna enter around here. 680, maybe 700. 700 to 660 in a 2-3 pip range, because we don't want to miss this.
Where do you have your stop? Below the breakout candle?
Stop loss is going to be around here, so not going to be needed big stop loss. 6 pips, yeah. I think so, because if price comes all the way below the previous candle, if this is going to be the breakout candle, then it's not a very good sign. So I would probably just now I'm going to show you when I enter. Let's see, I'll just wait for the close and we're going to enter. Show you stop loss and entry and everything. Let's go EJ. It's just a matter of time right now. Right now it's just a matter of seconds till this candle closes, but I just hope we don't straight push to the upside, but we come for a retest first. Great close. We have close around 7 pips. It's a good breakout. Now we need to enter on the retest, so it needs to come at least 690, 680. That would be a good entry. We don't want to enter too early here, end up with a bad entry. Let's see, needs to come a bit lower. I'll enter at 685 first on the wicks, then if it comes lower, I'll enter another one. Let's see. This is a small range of 2 pips. Yeah, I'm gonna take the first one here. Took the first buy here. If it comes a little bit lower, I'll take another one. We have a break of the consolidation box that we've been waiting for ages, and we are taking it. Let's see what's gonna happen. We have no top wick here, that's good. Gonna go to make a top wick. Stop loss is below the previous candle. I think there's no need for more. That's around less than 10 pips. I can expect this to come a bit lower and expect then some continuation to the upside. Let's wait and see. Nice pullback. We flip bullish. Let's see how far we can go. I think if we get 10 pips, I'll secure some at 10 pips. Let's see. Nice, 8.5. 8.5. Perfect. Let's go. One more. We're going to 10 pips. Now, guys, target is whenever you are happy to take the profits. At 10 pips, I think that's gonna be my first target, and I'm gonna close most there, and I'm gonna leave a runner. Because after this kind of move, I don't want to see this coming all the way to my entry, right? I don't want to regret for not taking profits. Okay, 12 pips, 12 pips, nice.
I close half here, letting the rest
Bay
run
2,
on.
what have we been saying all day, that when it breaks this consolidation box is gonna explode.
Bro,
I have 1% perfecto, 14 pips. What a way to end the week. Finally, we got the trade. It's been so long, man.
I secured 0.5%, the other half is running.
How much did you risk?
1%. I risked 1%.
Why don't you secure 80?
80?
Yeah.
Okay, bro. Secured.
Aga,
Now it's pushing.
you didn't
Yeah.
enter full size, Aga? Can't believe it.
Yeah, I was thinking about taking 2%, but then I remembered what you said, and it's also Friday, so
Yeah, no need to
okay.
rush.
Yes, exactly. I will let this run to, yeah, I will just let this run to my TP 127. 127, 120 is my TP on that one.
This was good.
Man, that felt so good, you know. We needed that. We had one trade this week, and then we had like 3 days with no trades at all.
We needed this so bad. This took so long, but finally we got this. We are so close.
This will run.
Oh man, I forgot to send it on the group, on the trade call group. Hopefully everyone catched it. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna go for another 10 pips. Look, we have a break out of this consolidation. I knew that this is gonna be epic. And I made a quick 1% on C Trader too, so perfecto. What else can we ask? We catched a good trade at the end of the week. Who would have thought? I knew that whenever EJ is gonna break, it's gonna be good. Yeah, look at the entry, guys. Look at the entry. 0.0001% in drawdown. No pips. We didn't have any drawdown. So you enter with no drawdown. What is take profit? Secure 80% and move your stop at break even. Then the runner, whenever you get another 10 or 15 pips, then you secure everything. Right now, secure some, leave some run, stop loss at break even. This was perfect. 18 pips and pushing. Still going 20 pips. Nice.
Yeah, it can reject from this 900 level. Let's see. Is Ash here? Did Ash take the trade?
I don't know. He's not here, it looks like.
Wow. What a beauty.
Good, Lezek. Lezek, good.
Pedro finished? Very nice.
Nice, Pedro, nice. Let's see what a trade this was. This can go even more, guys, even more. There's no stop now. Look at this bullish candle. Snow coming back. Snow coming back. 23 pips. This is flying. Cat JPY can have a good setup too. If it breaks above 81.300, that's another good level. Then there's no traffic all the way to 81.500. It's a good 20 pip range.
Now on FTMO it says if you're on your client area, It's if you go on your metrics, it says on 29th December, all active FTMO challenge and verification accounts will be credited with 10 extra days to the duration. So for everyone who had the question, I mean, I texted them as well, but now it's officially official.
Pedro, congrats, man. Congrats that you passed the verification too. You also passed the challenge with one trade like this. Then now again, congrats. Next is Aga and Beitu.
Yes. GJ. Wow. And after those kind of trades, I'm always like, I should have risked more. But if I'm losing, I'm like, man, I should have risked less.
Beitu. That's
Yes,
why you have to use same. You have to treat the same way every trade, because you never know. This could have been a loss. Who knows? But consistency what matters. Treat everything the same. Never go, oh, this looks perfect, I'm gonna risk more in this. Just go same. Yeah, I could have gone 10% risk here and do 10% on copy trade, but there's always the risk also on the other way.
Yeah, bro, that's what I think always, you know. But after winning, you feel like, damn. But in a rational way, like in a normal way, when I think clearly, fresh minded without any emotions, I'm like, I will risk always the same. Let's see.
Other than that, right now, I don't know if we have anything. Oh yeah, other than CAD JPY. This can be very, very good, but I know if it's gonna push or not. It's not very far. It's not very far. Let's see how many pips we got here. Yeah, we have another 8 pips until this resistance. Then another 5 or 6 to break. That would be pretty good, I think. Risk reward was pretty good on EJ because we used like a 6 or 7 pip stop loss and closed around 12-13 pips. Left a runner, now 23 pips. Yeah, it was pretty good. Not bad at all. Oh man, almost at 8% on C Trader. Need 0.20 to go to 8%. I asked you a message about copy trade on Wednesday, but you didn't reply. Davis, what's the question? Ask me here, I'll answer. Maybe I didn't see it, I don't know. Guys, if you ask me about C Trader, honestly, everything is when you click the link to the copy trader. Everything is there. It says what the minimal deposit is 200 euros. What the percentage I get is 25%, which is not worth it at all doing it, but I'm gonna do it until the end of the year and we'll see then. Because until now it's not worth it. But anyway, also, how much I risk? 1% most of the time. Other than that, I don't know what else you need to know about copy trader. How can you put favorite pairs and other pairs like that in the... Well, you can edit these. See, just click on it. I don't know if you have the option or not. I think you do. How do I join copy trader? I just sent the link here. You just have a button to press. You need an account on C Trader, that's all. Here's the link below. Just follow the link. It says start copying. It's just a button there. It's pretty easy. What is copy trader? It is copying your trade. Yes, yes it is. What can I say? The word tells you everything you need to know. Copy trader means it copies your trades. So you can copy my trades. Let's see, CAT-JPY, it is pushing. See if it's gonna break. Personally, I'm not gonna take it, guys. because I want to stay with what this 1% I made on EJ. But you guys can take it. It is a good setup. I'm just pleased with one trade a day, and I don't want to overtrade now that it's Friday. I got one good setup. I want to skip everything else that comes for the rest of the day. If you don't see no resistance on the left for EJ, then right now it's at resistance. If it goes above this too, then we are going all the way up. Man, this was perfect. This was perfect trade. Classic break and retest. CAD JPY, look, once CAD JPY breaks, we need at least a 5-pip breakout. Then entry around 320, around 320. Entry target, the whole range needs to be filled. You can use a, let's see how many pips stop loss. Yeah, I think a 10 pip stop loss would be enough. 10 pip stop loss would be enough, and the next zone is all the way up here. That can be a first target. It's a good range of 20 pips at first target. Second, it's around 40 pips, so we'll see. If it reaches 1-to-1 risk reward, can be great. Then another 10 to the next zone would be perfect also. So need to wait here. There's another 30 minutes. We can have the breakout. If it closes good, around 5-6 pips above, leaving no top wick, that's our best breakout. Come for a retest and some more continuation. AUD JPY buys. So let's take a look what we have there. Okay, it looks like we're breaking this consolidation box here on AUD JPY. Great. I like it. 4 hour looks good. If this would be a 4 hour break and retest, would be perfect. I like it a lot. Breaking above. 1 hour is also breaking. Good momentum. Yeah, we'll see. This can be also good if it comes for a retest. Previous 30-minute close with no top wick on CAD JPY. Well, I don't really care about 30 minutes because I don't look at it, and it's still not a breakout, so it doesn't matter how it closed. It's still below that resistance. What about Aussie dollar? After this 1 hour breaks above 1 hour resistance, let me check. I wouldn't trade Aussie dollar, honestly. It's another zone here above. See the daily. Yeah, daily looks like it could continue more, but I wouldn't touch it. Even though 4 would be above the previous candle, we could have more continuation, but it's not a classic break and retest. I would skip it. And all these are the stupid pairs. So be careful with stupid pairs. GJ is pushing. We'll see how it's gonna close. We could have Brexit news any moment. Who knows? If you guys made 1% today, I would say don't take any other trade today. If you are pleased with that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I wanted to make the big money.
You in profit now, babe?
Yeah.
Good. May just have to continue with another good trade like this.
0.5 in profit. What I was thinking was that since I am in profit and there will be less days now. Now, from next week, I have exactly 1 month. Exactly, like 1, 2, 3, 4.
1 month to make 5%. You have plenty of time.
Yeah, that was what I was thinking about. And what was going through my mind is if I should start to risk more with the beginning of 5th of January. So with the new year, not on the Monday, but on the Tuesday, starting with Tuesday until the 20th. So that would be exactly 2 weeks and 1 day. Is that too early, or what do you think? What is your opinion on that?
Another week you have to spend with 1%. Then, if times comes close, you can risk more. But right now, there's no need because you have a whole month, plenty of time. Good week, and you'll pass it.
Yeah, I
4 weeks
think
is a lot.
I would be already done if I wouldn't have taken this GU and GJ. It really played me. Like I felt from 1,800 to almost zero. Yeah, to 33. So this GU and GJ, right, like after each other, it wasn't like it was like with 1 hour difference, and I risked 1% on each one, and I lost both, and I was like 1,600 up 1,800, and now I'm break even again. Yeah.
Okay,
I don't know,
you can't expect to pass everything the first try.
yeah,
Okay,
true.
so if you try and be more realistic, you've done this more than you would expect, faster than you would expect. You don't even have a full year experience. Imagine that. People spend years and years and they still don't give up in even after 4 or 5 years. You're not even the first one, so you are blessed that you have this knowledge right now, all this small time and so much you've gained for such a small time, such a small period of time, and
True.
you're lucky. Honestly, you're lucky now. On the first try, did you do it on the first try the challenge?
Yeah, it was my
Yeah.
first try.
Yeah, see, first try challenge. Now the verification, you are very close. All you need is follow risk. Until now, you've been excellent. Using risk, you haven't rushed anything. You're not rushing trades here and there sometimes, but no, still good. Uh, as long as you follow rules, you're gonna make great progress. And this challenge is not gonna be hard for you. You have a whole month. Don't worry. I think you'll pass it. But who knows? Everything might happen, might come a bad week or two, but at least you've progressed a lot. Even if you fail, this is going to be progress for you. It's
Yeah.
not even your first year, you have so much time.
Bro, I'm pretty happy about that. I mean, I'm pretty happy that I found good groups and that it lead me to your group right now. And I don't want to like advertise anything, but I think it really helped me, like your patience and also the um, mature of the group. Like it's a really mature group. Like we are not kids in the group, you know.
Yeah,
And
everyone is mature and
yeah, everyone is like the energy is also really good. And I mean, I started May, as a lot of people know, and I started with a real account, and I started with like 2,500 euros, and then I lost until 2,100 or something, and then I made it back to 2,700, 800 ish. And what I was thinking was, man, I just take that money out of the real account, and I will start this challenge, the FTMO challenge. And when I started it, I was 6 months in the game, so I started around October, I think. And I'm pretty happy that it worked on the first try. I mean, on the last day, but still on the first try. And if this works out, I will be more than happy. I'm already thankful right now, because it's not even the first year, as you said, and um, I am about to get an 80k account. You know, that's insane for me. Man, I'm a student. I will start to work next year, but still, I'm a student. I don't have more expenses than like 500 euros or something, you know?
yeah, yeah. That's
So
that's that's pretty good.
no, yeah, knowing that you can win 500 euros in a day is insane for me. Like I made 800 euros or something with that one, so 1%, and 70% of that one would be mine, bro. That's for
Hmm.
me like dream. And I'm sitting here in front of my computer. It's 9:44. We started like 8:30 or something. 1 hour.
Yeah, imagine you could be
Hour.
done with the day now.
Yeah, in 1 hour, 500 euros cash. Okay, taxes, but still insane, man. That's a dream for me.
Yeah, this is also a thing that makes people greedy because they know how much you can make. When you see it for an hour, 500 euros or 1k, then greed comes in and they just don't want to stop.
Yeah,
But
the
if you
good.
manage to keep yourself, disciplined, you can do this for a long time.
Of course, bro. And then, I mean, I use magic keys, and that's the tool that you can see on the right bottom on YouTube. And sometimes when I move my TP and stop loss, I can see like, wow, if my TP would be here, I would get like, let's say 3k or something, you know. But then I'm like, hey, it's not about how much you get. It's about that your TP is there where you can reach it. I can put my TP 100 pips away, and one time in a year it will happen, you know.
Yeah,
But you have to put it somewhere where it really works. And in this case, 10. We said we want a risk reward of 1 to 1, so 10 pips, and then we have a runner for 20 pips or whatever, and play it out. If I would say, okay, on this trade, I want to have like 50 pips because we broke out of a consolidation, bro, this can come easily to the bottom again and then stop you out at break even.
yeah, yeah. Just target should be like realistic. Not put a crazy target like 100 pips or 200 pips. Everyone can do that, and then expect that to go. If you put a 100 pip target, then you also need to know that how many times price going to come to your break even to go there. There's going to be a lot of time needed for that to happen. Also, you're going to need a very good confirmation. But for us, we go for a realistic target which pleases us, and it's enough for us.
Yeah, exactly. Man, I'm happy. I'm happy about every winning trade, you know. I remember looking at the 1 minute. I didn't know anything about trading. Nothing. It's so like it's just like a few days ago. I mean, it's a few months, but it feels like a few days. I was looking and I was trying strategies and stuff. And on YouTube, there is a channel where the man shows every strategy, like every indicator. Sorry.
Yeah.
And what I was thinking was, man, I will use a lot of the indicators, and if everything matches up, I have to win.
Yeah.
And then I recognized that, man, these indicators, they show the past, you know. You don't really need them.
They just make trading more complicated, I think. I think so.
And also said, what I really want to say is that if you really have a strategy that is proven, like back tested, and if you feel comfortable with the strategy over a long time of period, if you don't over risk and don't over trade, if you have a if you have a level of risk which if you hit it you will stop trade, like let's say in a day 1% or 1.5% or 2%, it is not easy to blow account. You will need a lot of days. And with the first thing that I said, if it's a proven strategy, like if your winning rate and risk reward is in that way that you are profitable over a long time of period, you are not like able to lose. The only thing which can lose is your psychology, and if your psychology loses, you will lose as well. But the strategy is good.
Yeah, man. I said yesterday. Imagine, can you imagine us losing 100 trades in a row? You can't. It's too hard to do that. It's too hard unless you risk 10 or 20% per trade, of course. But if you risk one, imagine how long it can take you to blow an account, and you have to be wrong every single time you take a trade. So with the win rate we have, it's not even possible to blow an account.
Yeah, I
Wouldn't
can
make
like
sense at all.
on my on my challenge account, right? Challenge account on FTMO. I the target was 8,000. I made 8,600. It was on the last day, but the winning rate is 74%. And I took stupid losses, which Sad didn't even take. So if my winning rate is 74%, I guess Sad's will be around 78 or more, 80, 85, whatever. You can see it on C Trade as well, what I'm talking about, you know?
No, on
I don't even
CTrader,
have to talk about it.
it says 65, but it doesn't match up. I don't know how it counts the. And also, if I take two positions in a same trade, they count as two other different trades. That's why it doesn't match up.
Okay,
But
okay.
yeah, I mean the win rate is crazy. It's crazy actually. If big companies would see this, they would be amazed what we can do. You know.
Even the win rate right now on my verification, I took this stupid losses, but my win rate is 60% on that one. And
Yeah.
it's a pretty tough market, and we're still winning more than we are losing.
I just know that we've done great this past month with all these things, and we've made it work. It's crazy. Look, about GU, I said I want more rejections and more so we can create a better zone here, but like I said, we need something like this, a lot of rejections, a good zone, not a zone that was just created and is too risky. Like this cat JPY, you know, is GU this good? Then just think of a good trade we took and look if it's the same or not, if it's worth it. And GU is not bad, I think so. It has a few rejections trying to break above. I just don't feel like I would take this. I said before, I'm not taking any more trades. I'm done. But for you guys, I recommend cat JPY break above a retest and more continuation. GBP now, who knows? We might have a news every moment. You never know. See, 30 minutes ago, possibility of Brexit trade agreement remains. Now, an hour later, something else is gonna come. So nowadays, you're gonna expect Brexit news all the time, because we have 2 weeks until the end of the year. So again, maybe they will try to make an agreement, and if they do it, there's gonna be a lot of headlines about Brexit. And it's better to stay away maybe from GBP news, or try to catch something early in the morning while they're sleeping, so we don't have any unexpected tweet. GBP AUD almost broke below, but it didn't. So we came all the way to the upside. Look at AJ, got rejected all the way down. I think it's gonna fill the wick after, little by little. But great, we made some good pips. Can't complain. Safer on GU is nothing is safe right now. I said that. Just see, we have another 6 minutes. Let's see how candles are gonna close. Yeah, UDJPY, CADJPY looks are the best.
What do you think about this stupid pair Eurocat?
I don't want to watch it at all. If we look on left, it's a mess. Maybe. I mean, 1 hour looks cool, but you have another resistance around here. See this?
Yeah, I was thinking that we can maybe use the lower one. So it
But
matches
if
with
you
this
look
one,
the lower one, yeah, the next one here. Because if you look at the lower one, it's in the middle of a candles.
Unfortunately.
Here, it doesn't match up. No, I would stay away from your cat. You never know. It's a stupid pair.
Man, EJ was really good. We're really happy about that. Make 1%. Rana is probably getting stopped out, but it's no problem at all.
We'll have to wait. We got some crazy pullbacks on JPY pairs. JPY was pretty good about to break, but we'll see. USD CAD.
Man, if I look to the week, right? Said we started with a loss on Monday, I think, right?
What was it?
It wasn't EuroCat.
Yeah, EuroCAD. Personally, I closed the.
Yeah, you closed the less with the less loss, but I let it run.
Yeah, let me see.
Because I'm
I
new.
closed minus 6 pips.
Yeah, I closed full 1%.
Yeah, because you held.
Yes.
You held it.
So I was down 1.5%. Then we had nothing. Then I saw a trade, which I took. So I was down 0.5% on Wednesday. Yesterday was nothing again, and today 1% again. So I made 2% this week. That's actually really good, right?
Yeah, good, because all these like 3 days almost without a trade. Not the best conditions to trade, so making 2% this week was perfect. Yeah, same thing. I made this week, let me see. This week 3%, perfect.
3%?
Yeah, 3%.
Perfect.
What was the trade? Let me see the last trades here. We had the GU buy also.
GU buy?
Where was the GU buy trade?
Was the win?
Yeah, GU buy. Did you forget? Oh, you forgot. This one. Was this one or no? Which one was it?
I don't really remember, but that's probably the trade that I...
Yes. No, yesterday. 2 days ago, early in the morning, we took it.
Wednesday, yeah, I remember. We both took it. No one else took it because they weren't really sure about it.
Yeah, which one was it? I don't know.
It was on Wednesday. Wednesday early in the morning.
This one. I think so.
I think this
yeah,
one.
This one. Yeah, this one was it. We took the retest of this, then we got this 10 pip move. Yeah, that was it. That was another percent. That one and EJ. Two. And what else we had? Your cat. We had EURUSD sales on Friday. Yeah, that was Friday.
It was Friday. It was not this week.
Yeah, then. Yeah, it says this week I did 3%.
I made 26% this week. What a week. Sheesh. Okay. Can't believe, but very nice. Congrats. You should do FTMO. You would be done.
You got rejected again. Good. Good. The stronger zone gets, the better the better it is when it breaks. So more rejections is better for us. Yeah, 1 hour closed. We don't really have anything right now. At least I don't see anything. Let's see, let's just check some pairs here. I just know that if this GA breaks, I think it's gonna move pretty good to the downside. Looks like a strong support there. Smash the subscribe button because we are going to 10,000 people. We are going today. We just need another 20, I think. 10,000. Wow.
Yeah, press the like button. 3 dislikes, man. Who's the 3 dislike?
Somebody sold EJ.
If you tell me who's the dislike, I will give you free magic keys.
No.
No,
Not
just
needed.
just joking, just joking. Don't take me serious, guys. 6, man.
No, there's 5. No way.
No, they deleted it again. They are joking. That's just a retest.
Just made a retest to continue more.
It's rejecting.
So EJ is probably going to continue till this week, if not the whole week, at least half of it. And then who knows? Who knows what else can happen?
What I have to say also is that your community on YouTube is actually really great. Some of them are texting me or marking me on the trades, and I think also that's a special thing in your community, because we had Erman. I don't know where he is right now, but also like Fun
Yeah.
Happens. He's also always here. Sofiane is here. Windy is always here. Great people who are
Actually,
always watching.
YouTube is pretty good also. The
Yes.
whole community, everyone is educated and well with manners. We don't have a crazy people in the chat. Yeah, I know most of them are since first day. All of them. I know everyone in the chat. I know when a new guy comes. When a new guy leaves a message. I know everyone since first day. I actually wanted to ask about Erman. I don't know where he is. I was talking with my wife. We haven't seen him in a while. Wanted to check on him how he is, but he doesn't even have an Instagram.
Maybe he's on holidays. We'll be here next year again.
I don't know, maybe. Wanted to find him, but I don't know why. I don't know how, I mean, not why.
So if anyone knows Erman, let him know that we miss him.
Maybe he's watching us, but he's not talking.
Yeah, right now the market is doing nothing.
Yeah, very slow.
Yes.
But we got the big move. Lucky us.
I think Sad, based on your experience, how is the market in the beginning of the next year? Does it start slow or is it like hardcore directly?
No, it's normal. It's normal.
It's normal.
Honestly, I can't, remember exactly what happened. It's a full year. Imagine how many sessions we've done. You forget. But I think it was good. Slow, not very, very crazy, as always. Herman joined another group? No way. Don't tell me that. I don't think so. He's around, he's probably not trading. GBP JPY 1 hour. Is this good? Pro team. If you could zoom out a bit, that would be good. But no, if you know a rule, price coming from another zone, we don't take the retest. When price comes from another zone, we don't take the retest. Not valid for us. When a breakout happens, we need clear traffic on the left to continue more. Losing my voice. Would you say this was been your toughest year since becoming? Yeah, never been harder than this year. Actually, I've said many times till now, it's been hard. Not easy at all, but we've still been beating the market. I wish Forex was 24/7. No, I wish Forex was like 6 times a week, 6 days of the week open, and only one because Friday you get tired, then you rest on the weekend. Yeah, maybe Sunday should have been that because you only need a day to rest, not more. People who want Forex to be 24/7 are making money, probably. They can wait for the market to open so they can make more. Well, I don't know, guys. We're not having anything. Should we go? Since it's Friday?
I see people discussing about other traders. Um, I think we should be happy that there are so many, so we can choose easily which one we want to follow and which one we don't want to follow. So it's
Yeah.
pretty good thing that there are a lot of traders. I only thing that I always heard is back in the days there wasn't that much traders and it was hard to learn. Now you got a lot of traders. You can just choose which one do you want to follow and which one not.
Oh, bro, you have so many people right now. So many live streams, so many things online. There was no live stream when I started. There was no live stream at all. It was just things you could find on Google. You had to find everything by yourself. Now, so many free live streams. Some share trades, some just stay there. They don't share anything, they keep it still secret. But you have plenty to choose from. And there are some good streams also. Just pick and choose which one suits you better. Which strategy suits you better. And try to do some back testing on it. Lots of scammers also, yeah. Yeah, don't forget about the scammers. There are a lot. One of them was pretending to be me on Telegram, promising people 100% per week.
Bro, have you seen my story yesterday? I got scammed, man.
Why? What? I don't understand your stories. They're all German.
Yeah, I bought. Do you know Gymshark? It's a gym clothing brand
Yeah?
from UK. And I bought this. Like, I went on Google and I wrote Gymshark because I'm not the guy who's writing on the tab gymshark.com. I'm always going on Google, writing Gymshark, and then uh, choosing the first one because it's most of the time the original page, and it said Gymshark, whatever. So I chose the first one. It looked exact the same, 1-to-1, like original.
Yeah.
Same but different. So it was exact the same page, and I ordered trousers and something else. So I was ordering it and I was paying with PayPal, and I paid with PayPal, and then it says your money was sent to baby China store at outlook.com, and I'm like, what kind of baby China store, bro? Are you kidding? And then I went back to the page and I looked at the tab, and it was another page. It was saying aotiv.com or something like that. But the page was exactly one-to-one like the original page. And I asked PayPal for giving me my money back on the customer service because it was scam and stuff. And they said, before the customer isn't sending you anything, we can't do anything. You know, they have to send you something so we can do anything. And they sent me a package with fake stuff, like really fake. You can see it. It's fake as hell. And I wanted to contact PayPal again and tell them that I was faked, like I was scammed, and I was looking for the customer, the one that I paid, and it's not available no more. He's no more there, so he deleted himself and took the money. I got
Crazy.
scammed, man. 50 euros.
That's crazy. You know, there are a lot of hackers that, let's say, your bank account website, they make the same exact one. You can barely, see the difference. So you have to be very careful when you choose where to log in, because you might give all your details, and it shows on Google too. I mean, they can make an ad or something like that, because people usually are used to touch, to click to the first result that comes, because usually that's the official one. But me personally, I go first on Instagram and I connect to the website from Instagram, so I can know officially which one it is.
Yeah, man, I got scammed. I learned about it though.
Yeah.
But there is one good thing about it. I will give away the Gymshark jogger to a kid, so a kid who doesn't know anything.
So they sent something, but they were small, huh?
Yeah, and they were like fake and small, and I can't send it back because there is no address, nothing. It was just in a black package. It was like drugs or something, like package from China. Man.
Crazy. Have you watched the show how to sell drugs online?
No.
You haven't watched the show? It's very nice. It's in German. It's a German series. You can watch it. It's very nice. There are two guys or three. They start selling drugs on black market, or how do they call it?
Yeah, black market.
And they become millionaires. They do it from home. And imagine the one that does it. His dad is an officer, a police officer.
Oh, so he is safe.
Yeah, he's safe and he's not. There's so many times he has plenty of drugs in his room, and his dad tries to come in, but then something happens. He doesn't, and he's safe again. Dark web, dark web, not black market. On the dark web. Everyone thinks that he's making money from a alleged website selling fitness supplements and all these kind of things. It's very interesting. I recommend watching it.
Yes, dark web. I don't know how I said black market, but it's in German. It's called black market.
You pay online for everything, or do you have option for? In my country, I never pay anything online. Cash. When they bring it to me, I pay cash, because I need to check the product first. I don't pay anything online then, except the delivery to be good. Who knows what might happen. I bought a chess, and some of the things were missing inside, so what can I do? I couldn't open it. Probably someone opened it, then they packaged it again. Some things were missing.
Eurocat is playing out, but almost at that next zone.
Who?
Eurocat.
I'm not gonna trade your cat. Your cat is stupid pair. GU dropped again. Wow.
Maybe
What's
you
gonna
can.
happen now?
Yeah.
Let's see what's gonna happen now. Okay. 9.99k subscribers. Let's go. We're very, very close. We are very close to 10k. Almost there.
Seth, would you take, like, not taking, but would you, in normal days, would you take GU here? Because it matches to the left side, which I thought before, or said before.
I don't know. It's not a strong support. It's not a strong support. Oh, it doesn't feel safe to take it. No, I'm not gonna touch GBP. I'm not. Like I said, the only trade I would take today is CAD JPY here. Or if you want to trade a GBP pair, even though I've said before I don't recommend it, but GBP AUD, this is a strong level. A level like this, I would take it. But on GU, it's not even a level, a good level that I can trust. How did you get to know Raja? On Instagram. Yeah. We met on Instagram. I was posting my results on Instagram every day. I was back in the day trading. Didn't have a group or anything. Plenty of time to spend on Instagram. Showing profits, withdrawals every day. And Raja saw me then, and he invited me into his group. We are friends since then. It's been years now. I don't know how many years. We did a lot of webinars. He did. I was on them. On some of them. On some of them I spoke. On a lot of them I just watched as everyone else. So yeah. GJ just crashed down. I thought this is gonna be around here when I saw a crash. GJ crash. Looks like you don't know. You haven't seen a real crash yet. You would know what a crash is. Maybe 1 minute time frame. Yeah, you're right. The 1 minute might be crashing because on 1 minute it may look like a massive move. Nigerian prince, who wants of my part of my inheritance? You guys remember these kind of scams? A prince sends you an email. He's gonna give you a lot of money, but first you need to send him some because he's somewhere in jail. And when he comes out, he's gonna give you a lot of money, but you have to pay to bail him out of the jail. That was crazy. I don't know. I heard some people still believe that. Some people who have less knowledge about computers and all these kind of scams. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to go now because I don't really see anything, so it's not worth taking your time staying here. And we'll see you later on. GA, I don't know. There's a small resistance here on GA. If it breaks, you might have some more continuation. But look, we have a massive zone on the left, so be careful. Be careful because we have this 4-hour zone here. It might be a rejection or something. So have a nice day, everyone. Have a nice weekend. And we'll see you Monday. I'm pretty sure. We'll see you on Monday. See you, everyone. Thank you all for this amazing week and day. Not very amazing. It was pretty slow. But today was good though. Will you stream next week? Yeah, I think so. We'll start Monday. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice week. Enjoy. Take some rest, and then hopefully next week we're gonna have a good setup like this one today. Thank you all. Have a nice day. We are almost at 10k subscribers. Looks like I'm gonna leave with 9.99k, but I think it's gonna be 10k. Thank you all for your support every day, and see you.